Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my first acrylic painting on canvas, so I thought that I should share with you all. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to share, subscribe, and give a lovely comment on the video. Just dip your brush in the water and apply on the canvas, and then yellow and white color for the background. Mix it well and apply a little more white color here. For the mountains, I'm using black color here. For the plains, I'm applying red color here. This is not totally plain area, swampy plain you can say here. For the sunrise, I'm using white color. Here I'm applying yellow color on the red color. Little black color for the partition of area. For this procedure, I have used a small piece of towel. If you don't have, then you can use brush also here. Basically, artist do a sponge, but I don't have right now. This is my small pond. For this, I have used green color, some black color, and white color. Then I will apply red color here. For trees, I have used black color. Long and straight trees, you can see most of the hilly areas, and for that I have applied black color, and for the branches I have also used black color here. For a shadow of trees I have used black color and mix it with the help of water. Some white color for the sunrise. Some white color for the fall of sunrise on the trees. And for the mosses I have applied green color. Now I'm using piece of towel for the leaves. Just take green color and tap on the trees and some yellow color, and I will apply red color also here. Guys, if you have a sponge then you can use that, but I don't have right now. That's why I'm using a piece of towel here. White color on the plain areas also for the sunlight. Now I'm gonna show sun rays, and for that I'll make slanting lines here. For the sun rays I'm using white color. With the help of water I will mix the white color as well. Here I am trying to show the fall of sunrise on the plain areas. Same procedure I will repeat on the other side of the um, scenery. Now I'm trying to show a realistic look in the pond. If you will have to make them, please follow the steps very carefully here. Knew about my painting has become ready, and hope you all will like it. Till then, goodbye.